Imagine turning micro movements in the Nasdaq market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping Nasdaq futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, Timbo, Moses, Millie Marie, and Applejacks. Now she mad at all of y'all who beat her. Good morning. How's everyone doing this morning? I am flat. I don't know. I guess I just am a little discombobulated because I don't know what's up with my NinjaTrader. I might have to rebuild it or something. I don't know. I had to open it multiple times this morning and that just threw me all the way off. So I've missed trades. Even after I fixed the issues, I just kind of missed trades because I'm just discombobulated. It just messed up my whole morning. But we're here. We are here. No. I think I thought by the time I looked on Monday it was always medium impact. I could be wrong, but I feel like on Sunday when I looked it was always medium impact. Yeah. It's been medium since Sunday. Well, I guess depending on your news source though too. And we do have medium impact coming at 9. Trav, are you still trading with Apex? Yes, I am. The only reason why you don't see an Apex account is because I've passed them. And right now, I'm just honestly trying to, 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to pass my remaining accounts, 272, before I start trading my PAs. That's all. So I have 3 Apex PAs, one from me getting it last March, and then 2 that I've passed in the last 2 months. And I'm just gonna stop there for now. So the goal is to start off with 2 of the Apex accounts, 2 Apex PAs, because I can't trade the other one, is Rhythmic. So I can't trade it at the same time as I trade the Top Step accounts. So do 2 Apex, 2 Top Step, and then 1 Take Profit Trader for now. That's the plan. That's the plan. They have still banned and just threatened legal action against you. Why have they threatened legal action against you? Did you do chargebacks? Because if you did chargebacks, well, they have the right to go against you legally. Absolutely. As a former business owner, I can tell you that they can. Because what people don't understand is when you do chargebacks and things like that, you actually put the company's you put the company at risk. Their merchants at risk. They can end up no longer being able to find a merchant. There's very few high risk merchants out there for any business type. And so when people put you in the crossfire and with the possibility of losing the few merchants that you have access to, you know, and businesses also have to pay chargeback fees and everything. So if that's the reason why they're threatening legal action, they kind of have a right to, unfortunately. No chargebacks, they cancel my accounts, but just called my bank to let them know. Good morning, Janelle. That doesn't sound great. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? No chargebacks, they cancel. So why did they cancel your accounts? Let's start there. And what was the legal action that was threatened? Why was the legal action threatened? We got to kind of start there as well. Hopefully I could pass this freaking TPT account because I don't want to pay the 102 just to pass it the next day. That'll piss me off. That will absolutely piss me off. Luckily, this is one of the ones from the no activation fee promo, but still, like the Apex account, I passed it on a Saturday. The next trading day was Tuesday, and I passed it. So hopefully I can pass it, but we'll see. I mean, I have missed 3 trades. 2 were winners, 1 was a loser. I think for no, I'm not gonna say that. But yeah, Trav, what's the legal action they threatened and why? Your identification was declined and they said my information was not correct. So it was declined from the automated system and they didn't go in and do a manual review. 1, 2, 3. Because typically they'll do the manual review. Pissed. I hope you feel better, Janelle. You need a sugar daddy. Paul. Man, look at that bleed. And the problem is I didn't even have setups in this bleed. That's very annoying. Well, part of the reason is we keep getting these goddamn on 1-bar pullbacks that I can do nothing with. And I do have to wait 3 swings every time. I have to go back to what I used to do before. 1, 2, 3. Reach back out to them, but it looks like they're ghosting me now. All info is correct too. 1, 2, 3. 187. Damn it. I think I have to wait 4 swings. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it's 4. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? Oh, guess who has no meetings today? You seem to be doing very well in the accounts. Congrats. Thank you. I am now. It's taken me a year to kind of figure out what strategy I want to use. And that year has been tumultuous. No, it's been a very interesting journey coming from someone who had various profitable strategies where I had to stay on the charts all day, trying to do what I'm trying to do in just the first hour and a half of the market being open. Has been no easy feat at all. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? Good morning. But yeah, just recently I've started to finally go full steam ahead. But I don't know. For me, my biggest focus is just to start off with these 5 accounts, get a payout or 2, and then start to build from there. I just don't really want to manage that many accounts, to be honest with you. The way that I journal each day, I'm done trading until 9:02, by the way, you guys. But the way I journal, it's just a lot that goes on into how I manage my accounts and things like that. So I just don't really want to put my accounts at risk, especially with me still kind of like figuring things out. So I have like a whole risk management plan and things like that, which I haven't actually been going by. If I did, I would have at least passed the TPT account by now. But I tried to like half the normal risk that I would use since I am still kind of working things out. I am so tired and I don't even get to nap today. But yeah, Trav, in regards to your situation, a random group, when did you get banned? When did you get banned? The biggest reason why they threaten legal action against someone, if it is an identification issue, is because legally you can't trade under someone else's name. And if you've gotten payouts under someone else's name, technically, and you're not supposed to, they can't threaten legal action. But if they don't know who you are, how can they? Yeah, TB 6040 to transfer 60% of my 50,000. That sucks, Janelle. But I have a question, Janelle. If your brokerage accounts are currently bleeding and you put that money in there and it continues to bleed, would it actually be smarter for you to keep the withdrawal? Because if you depend on your brokerage money in any capacity to live off of and things like that, wouldn't it be smarter for you to just keep the money in your pocket and live off of that and wait for your brokerage accounts to have some kind of recovery? It's really messed up my trade. I've been able to get one from another firm. Trav, have you not been able to get one from another firm because of KYC issues, like identification issues, or because you have a hard time trading with other prop firms? Because I mean, you know, different prop firms work different for different people. There are people that can do well on one prop firm and not others because rules are different and things like that. So trying out day traders right now, seeing they were from Apex and seeing I've never traded, so that is not really an issue for me. So the only thing I'll say about day traders is just to be careful. The CEO is part of a previous Apex team. I can say that. Another person on the website, as far as the officers go, was the head of customer support at Apex. That's Cayenne. And then the Martin guy was one of the affiliates who got banned for from Apex, who I guess is also suing Apex for unpaid commissions. However, he also was doing things to get those affiliate commissions that he wasn't supposed to. So I wonder if he'll win the lawsuit. But this is the only thing I'll say. First of all, nobody was talking about day traders before he decided to sue Apex. The reason why he named some of those affiliates in one of those amendments, as far as saying that Apex pays these people to like promote false payouts or something, inflated payouts. The reason why he included those names are because those are the same people who denied his request to sponsor them. And the reason why you can know that is because Patrick is one of the biggest affiliates, has had payouts. He did not name them name him. He didn't use one of his examples of one of his videos of payouts. He didn't use him in the example in the lawsuit. And he's been promoting day traders. So he could possibly, I don't know, he could possibly have an agreement with them. So you've named these people because they've denied your requests to promote your company, and that's wrong. And if they have to pay money to defend themselves, that's wrong. The claims are baseless. I don't know about anybody else, but I know for sure with Alpine has streamed literally every day. Has always shown his P&L live every day. So how can you have the nerve to put his name in there? That's fucked up. The other thing to me, I would never want to go in business with someone who has done some of the things that he's done. Because if you can turn on that company, who's to say that you won't turn on this one? If Martin pisses you off, if Cayenne pisses you off, if anybody pisses you off, we don't know. Who's to say you won't? You can go rogue at any time. There are certain things that are known on the back end that some of the things that he's just done is just very awkward. It's very weird. And from a trust perspective, I would never trust him. That's just weird. So I would just always say proceed with caution. I mean, use any company for the opportunity that you have. That company's just a little awkward. I saw the company before it was publicly put out there, and I had a whole dissertation as to why it wasn't a good company. But that's just me. Oh, you're preventing margin call. Got you. KYC's been good, but yeah, just can't seem to pass evals lately. Trav, is it a mental thing? He also took the customer base. Absolutely. He took their customer base. Why are you texting people that has never, ever signed up for your company? Why do you think you're entitled to that customer base? You're not. Yeah, DC on stocks. I want to keep for, got you. But yeah, it's just a little awkward to me. But like I said, seize the opportunity. But I just wouldn't trust that personally. But yeah, there is a lot of prop firm drama lately, and it's unfortunate because why. It just makes no sense at all. Things don't have to be that way, but that's what people choose to do, unfortunately. Yeah. Then I just think it's weird, like certain things that he said, like in one of the depositions that I read, the documents, he was saying that Apex was, he tried to blame Apex as the reason why his company was not growing like that, like trying to say that Apex was telling affiliates certain things so that affiliates would say no, different things that Apex is saying publicly. We haven't seen any of this, is saying publicly against day traders to prevent people from trading with the company. And I'm like, you do understand that's what you're doing, right? Like, you went rogue on ATF.com to where when people go to that website, which is what they were used to logging into, you have a whole thing about the lawsuit and how they're doing this and all these other things. And but come look at daytraders.com. You're a fool. You got Kellyanne roped into it, which part of it is her fault. She shouldn't have posted the video. But that just was so weird to me. Like, how do you blame Apex for that? You did it. I don't know. People are just very weird to me. 112. Yeah, that's just weird. Damn, I keep forgetting that I could take this buy. This is like, when I tell y'all this is the perfect buy to take, I don't, I think my brain is gone. All the tech issues is just have my brain in mush. I also thought it was very weird. I don't know how much of this you guys have read, but I also think that it's very weird that he claims in one of the documents that he was the driving force behind Apex's growth because of the technology part of it. Did you make it easier for people to sign up and things like that? Yeah, but other companies have those automated systems as well. So, but either way, he says that, but then turns around and says that Daryl basically stole money from him from the standpoint of when they first started the company. Daryl sent out emails to his customer base in Apex Investing. And because he signed them up with his link and got commissions, that took away from the profit from Leo. Here is the deal. Yes, you might have been on the technology side. Yes, it might have helped with the automations and things like that with creating accounts and whatever, blah, blah. But you can't say you're the driving force behind the growth of Apex and then get upset because this man used his previous customer base from his educational company to really grow the company from the beginning. And get upset that because they signed up with his affiliate link, that it took money out of your pocket, because had you had the customer base that he had, you wouldn't be crying about it. It's just such weird shit. Like, when you have common sense and you read some of the things that this dude has said, it's just like, what? So I'm supposed to take my customer base that I've built over years and just sign them up under the regular company link? No, motherfucker. You should have a customer base of your own that can come through your affiliate link. Hell, it just took 15% of the commissions from the company. What are you upset about? These people are weird. We might go red on the year today. Ooh. Interesting, interesting, interesting. So this year, even if we're green, there isn't a high expectation of another 15% year. So your picks got to be great companies. Interesting. Their emails don't have an unsubscribe button. Wow. Yeah, Trav. It's probably the mental part of you, getting banned from Apex and things like that. That can wreak havoc on anybody's mental, like anybody's mental. So I get it. And it's tough. The mental aspect is what screws up a lot of people in trading in general. But you'll bounce back. You'll bounce back. All right, I have to fix my life. I have to fix my life and get into some trades. Like I said, the tech issues are just driving me insane. It's driving me up a wall. It's fucking up my mental. Like, I don't even want to take trades, to be honest with you, but I need to. But I'm gonna get it together. Quite sure I've probably missed a couple opportunities in the last 10 minutes. Oh, I know for sure because the one I pointed out myself. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wait 4 swings after a 1 bar pullback, because technically the third swing still goes off of this swing right here, the comparison of the volume, and I don't know if I could do that. She roped herself into it, absolutely. And I don't like how because I saw somewhere 1 2 3 where she was trying to say that, Apex shouldn't be going after YouTubers. Even that Futures for Our Future cartoon thingy, I do enjoy it, but get out of Kellyanne's ass. Trying to say like, oh, they're trying to silence reporters. No, they're not. They have not attempted to sue anyone else, any other reporter, anybody else that has made videos. The problem is you roped yourself into it when you posted that video, the unauthorized recording, and kept talking about your sources. Ain't no way I'm finna post some shit for somebody else. Not when the Martin guy over there, who was one of the top affiliates because he was, with Apex from the beginning, and it was said that he was, good with SEO and links and all this other stuff. You want that video out? Go do the shit yourself. You're not finna put me up to that. And I saw in her Discord that she said that she's already 5 figures into the lawsuit, and she's probably gonna have to go in another, I don't know. She said by the end of it's probably gonna be 50K. Ain't no way y'all wrote me into this shit and I gotta pay my shit myself. What? That's insane. Insane. Yeah, I've missed a lot. I actually wait. Oh no, that one's not a miss. But yeah, once she posted the unauthorized video, that was it from there. Fuck, when people tune into the market, I'm telling you, I'm just thrown off because so what happened this morning, Trav, I trade minis, I don't trade micros. What do you call it? I scalp, so there's literally no point in using micros. I only go for 4.5 points. I use micros on my personal account, but not on these. So I use 2 minis. Yeah, this morning it was very weird because I always, when I wake up, I always get straight on the computer. Like, I open my computer, open up NinjaTrader, OBS for streaming, and then what's the other? Rhythmic. And then I go, wash my face, brush my teeth, all of that stuff. And when I came back, NinjaTrader wouldn't open. Like, I saw the icon, but it wasn't doing anything. So I had to reopen it twice before it finally opened up. I guess there was like some kind of chart render fail or something. I don't know. And it just threw me all the way off after that. Like, all the way off. So I'm probably going to have to rebuild something. I don't really know which chart is having a render problem though, which is the problem one too. But yeah, but I'm locked in. My brain is just, I'm so cautious because all the freaking issues that I've been having. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's the fourth one. But I'm gonna get my life together. I promise. I promise. I also kind of made a few adjustments last night, and that's also throwing me off because rules I know used to work, I gotta like relearn some of this stuff too. So that doesn't help. All right, this is gonna be invalidated. But I need to get going because this take profit trader account is like 4 trades away from passing, something like that, and I could have had that done already. Could have had it done already. Stop, Bill. That's trash. Damn it. Stop filled is ass. Just for it to push 80 damn ticks. There you go, trenches. I took my first trade. All right, equal. I can't trade that. That sucked. We've literally dropped 50 points from my entry up there. Yay. Another thing that's going to help me to execute a little faster is getting this damn indicator done. I don't know if I will be able to do it myself. I've been trying. Chat GPT is ass. Maybe I can. Ooh. I just had a thought. I just had a thought. Well, I missed that one. And then it's just like spiking so fucking fast. That was definitely a sell right there. It's just spiking too fast. And I would have gotten filled too. It came up and hit it 3 times. But yeah, having to because on the days where the reversal bars are happening so fast, those are the days where it's like the hardest for me to execute because of how I have to look at the volume up down profile to see what the volume is in the reversal bars. That's what really screws me too. Good morning, San. How are you this morning? Good morning, good morning. Red on the year now? Damn. Down 47 today. You're calling it a day. That's not bad. Not a bad place to stop yourself at all. The year started off so great as far as the pump. Oh no. See what I mean? I almost got caught in that. Like all the way up here. I wouldn't have gotten filled on that one. You could see it just took off. But I was ready for it. Every reversal bar just takes off. There's no, like, in a lot of the other market conditions, you know, it'll come back, hit the entry a couple times to where, like, I can, oh, shoot, I missed it. Let me buy, click in, sell, click in. I can't do that. The market just goes right now. And it's trash. Give me a little time. Too much freezing issues today. Can't find the bottom lately in the market. Are you a DCAer? Do you counter trend trade a lot? Because this is not the market to do that. I'll tell you that much. You know, something that I read the other day on Twitter. I forget where it was. Or was it on Twitter? I think it was. Somebody said trying to find the tops or bottoms of the market is purely an ego thing. And I kind of agree with that person. Because most of the people that I've seen who, like, I don't know, make different posts when they have like a good reversal or whatever, most of the time, not all, but most of the time when they post about it, it's like from an ego standpoint of kind of like a look what I did type of thing. Look what I was able to do. Oh my God. I'm gonna get fucked on this. Target filled. I don't even have a stop loss right now. How do I get a target filled and I'm negative? That doesn't even make sense. This is the shit I be talking about. I don't even care. At this point, fuck all of these accounts. I'd rather just trade the Apex accounts I have and leave it at that, because this shit is going to irritate my fucking soul. It is. It just is. Literally target filled, but it's a negative trade. How do you even do that? I don't understand. But it's my fault because I've sat out of so many goddamn trades today. Like, I've gotten to the point where I'm just numb to it. It's just inevitable. It's just inevitable at this point, and I'm just over it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just over it. And I think I'm gonna have to make some adjustments on my counter trend, anyway. But I'm over it. I am. I'm not gonna pass this TBT account today, and I'm not pushing it past 10 o'clock either. I'm just gonna deal with it and keep it moving. I don't care anymore. I can't care anymore. I'm literally driving myself insane with the tech issues and stuff. I just can't care anymore. Alright, so I'm gonna adjust this one. That trade I just lost, I don't have a lot of data for it, so I'm just gonna make it what I do know works and leave it at that. Alright, hopefully I can at least get back to green. Just so you guys know, my red day yesterday was my first red day in 2 weeks. And yesterday wasn't even my fucking fault. Yesterday's red day was not even my fault. That's what makes it worse. But yeah, that was my first red day in 2 weeks. Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? Hell no, DCA looking for momentum. DCA never ends well at all. At all. Good morning, True. How are you this morning? Just put my sim account on and not freezing issues for when you go live, it acts up. Have you ever thought about using a different platform? $193. Did that touch? Interesting. All right. I don't trust that. I don't have this fixed yet. Shit. Better results with it than Trade Evade and Thinkorswim. Got you. That's understandable. Oh my God. I've just been so irritable. I'm gonna reach back out to Joel at Affordable Indicators to see, all right, it's almost the end of the month. How close are you with this copy trader shit? Because to be honest with you, something's got to give. It's really screwing up my mental at this point. It is, I'm not gonna lie. It is screwing with my mental. 613. when every other day you're having issues with shit that's out of your control, it's just bound to just bottle up. See you tomorrow, Moses. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Yeah, saying I just wonder if you go back to TradeStation, since that's who you have your brokerage account with. I just wonder if you'll have better, because maybe it's like a order routing issue or something possibly. Not having a red day for 2 weeks and then having 2 red days in a row fucking sucks. But I also have to remember I'm just a month in, so. Just a month in. So I know I don't have all the data that I need for everything. So what can you do? What can you do? Nothing. Every time I think it's gonna turn, it just doesn't. Today is ass. Big ass. But that's all right. You guys know when I have red days and stuff, I just look at it as the learning opportunity. I'm glad it's red right now in evals and not in PA. So I do see the silver lining in things, even though I'm irritated as hell. I really should have passed that TPT account yesterday, but I really should have. All right, market, what are we doing? I just need a couple of decent trades in the next 25 minutes so I can recover. That would be nice. Now, no lie, part of me does want to continue trading the TPT account after 10 o'clock just because even a few Fridays ago when I did continue trading after 10 o'clock, excuse me, My strategy still works after 10. So why did I just delete that? What are you doing? Yeah, it should still work after 10. Actually, all 4 of the pullbacks that I took after 10 o'clock, they all won. So, and I missed a few, I know for sure, that day as well. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. But I also feel like I'm just kind of off. And I have to take my grandma somewhere at 2 o'clock. So, I kind of really don't have time to journal and keep trading and everything else. So, we'll see. Please, no 1 bar pullback. I'm sick of those today. And you're gonna do it anyway. There's been like 8 or something. It's so insane. All right, 4 swings I'll sit out of. Two more. All right. Very interesting. I thought we were gonna push down right there. My patience is running thin. Bro, I just sell clicked in and nothing happened. What the hell? That's what happens when you miss the initial move. I literally clicked sell click, clicked it on the chart, and nothing happened. Fuck my life. Jesus. That's so annoying. That would have got me back to break even right there. And that's happened to me a couple of times recently where I click, sell, click, buy, click, whatever, and nothing happens. I don't know why. But that sucks. I would have gotten a full win. And I only got 15 minutes left. This sucks. And the stupid one purple bag. Yeah, that trade would have got me back to break even. I would have been up on one of the top step accounts since it's only down $62. But no, the pending order didn't want to put itself there. Oh, my stomach is too empty. Oh, that's gonna hurt my stomach. Oh, I'm gonna be so nauseous. All right, we gotta wait for this to break. Bob is still not gonna put me there. So I think I'm gonna keep trading after 10. But if my TPT account gets to a certain point, I'm just gonna stop. Like a point in a negative perspective, I'll just stop. But I think I'm safe to still trade, so I am. Hopefully that's the smart thing to do. Yeah, I think we're gonna push it. We'll see. These moves are just crazy. A lot of these reversal bars are just, they have very little volume in the reversal bar, and then we push 100 ticks. It's very weird. It's 39. I really need this to break out before I can do anything. Oh my God. This is the other problem. Every time we change directions, we immediately reject whatever trend it is I'm looking for, and we just go the opposite way. That causes issues too. We've been doing a lot of that. And when you look at the 1 minute chart, you can see all the places that we did it. We did it here, we did it here, we're doing it now. Let me guess, we're gonna immediately reject again? Why, yes, we are. And a 1 bar pullback. Those are driving me insane. I have to at least see on the 1 bar pullbacks counter trend like that. If I can get into, I probably wouldn't even get filled, honestly. There I would. But at least when they happen on the zone like that, I should be able to get into those. I haven't even looked at 1 bar pullbacks. I've been so busy trying to perfect the other setups. Your vehicle has an unpaid toll bill. You're an idiot scammer. Text someone who lives near tolls, and maybe, just maybe, you'll convince them. One, two, three, one more swing. All right. Looks like we're trying to consolidate and head up. I just need a good trend with some decent pullbacks. If we reject right here, I might lose my shit. Bro. Please. Part of me doesn't even want to continue after 10 o'clock, but I really just don't want to pay this $100 fee just for me to pass it within a couple of days. That's going to piss me off. So I'd rather just try to push it. But that also means that I need to just try to pass it because it's so close to, I mean, I guess I just want to pass it, honestly. I'll probably be pissed off if I fail it because I'm trading after 10 o'clock, but I just don't want to pay the fee again. For what? I'm so close. These 1 bar pullbacks make me want to pull my hair out. There's so much consolidation, just back and forth. What does the 5-minute chart look like? See, the 5-minute chart doesn't look that bad. The 1 minute does. Do I have a chart delay now? I do. No. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, if you can keep from paying another month. Yeah, I'm gonna do it because I'll just only take pullback. I'm not gonna take any divergence trades or anything. I'll only take pullbacks. Especially because there's no fee to this one. So like if I pass it, so I would rather just try to push it, honestly. So I'm going to do just that. It's just so frustrating, like just freaking frustrated, bro. Then at least I can just focus on the top step accounts, trying to get that one bag that I lost $700 on yesterday for literally no fucking reason. But yeah, I'm gonna push it. I just don't want to pay that fee again. For what? For fucking what? And it's so frustrating because some of these like nice pullbacks I cannot take. They would normally not work. I have the data to show that. And when you see them working, it's very annoying. Very annoying. Let's see, buy, sell. But this is literally irritating. I know one of the issues I'm having, like when the market's moving as fast as it was earlier, sometimes this stuff can be really hard to catch. That's why I need to get this indicator coded. What I want to do is like basically on the volume up down indicator, I want it to just show the display number of the last 3 reversal bars. Display what the total volume is in each of those reversal bars. Kind of like how the net display does right there. That would be so helpful when the market is moving too fast, because it's so hard to catch, like so hard to catch. and it's frustrating. Whereas if I just had the numbers right there, it would be, all right, cool. This is what I'm looking for. Boom, boom, boom. Execution on point. But having to like hover over, make sure the line is like lined up so you know that you're looking at the right bar, you know, that's very annoying. So I have to figure out how to code this if I don't pay somebody else to do it. Cause, man, it just would be so much of a help. Like, so much. I gotta figure that out. I have to figure that out. And I can get that done. I'll be good to go. But I've tried ChatGPT, but maybe the prompt that I'm using to tell it on what a reversal bar is, maybe I have to fix that. I could see that being the thing. I don't know. But that would up my game big time. And I just wanted to paint over the last 3 reversal bars. That's it. I don't need much more than that. This is sell rotation level. All right, let me turn my alarm off. Because we're going to push this. We're going to push it. Hopefully it's not against my better judgment. And see, this is the kind of shit that irritates me because I was signed up to do something and you don't know what I have to do. $130. Like right now, I need to try to get this account done. Am I gonna lose? Ugh, please just push through. It's not going to. Yes, it is. No. Yeah, I'm at this point, I'm just gonna push it. It doesn't even matter anymore. But yeah, like I need to try to push this account and I can't because you've signed me up to do something without making sure that I was going to be available. That's also very fucking annoying. Yeah, I'd rather just blow or go this account at this point. What's the point? All right. If I have to start over, I gotta start over. But I'd rather pay the 102 because I'm starting over than be that close and have to pay. It's probably a fucked up mentality, but it is what it is. I guess I could have like here, I could have waited until we broke out here. Again, some stuff I just don't have rules for yet because I don't have a lot of examples. But in a market like today, that probably is the smart thing to do. I don't know. But like I said, I'm just going to take pullbacks and either they work out or they don't. And it's that simple. And we have one bar pullbacks again. I'm so frustrated. Yeah, I think that's the problem. When it changed to a downside pressure line, I just can't. I gotta wait until we break either way. This weekend when I went back through my data, that's something that I did kind of redo when I rewrote everything, was write down when we have like a change here, but we, it's not a full change yet to a downtrend, looking at the trades within here. That is something that I did recently. That is something I did. Oh my goodness. Damn, we just missed it. Literally one tick away from taking that trade. I just needed it to touch that sell rotation level, and it was one tick away from touching it. One funky ass tick away. The level was at 79.50 and it went up to 79.25. It's just so annoying because I feel like every time I'm so close, that's when I have days where all the trades where I don't have a lot of examples for, so I haven't made certain rules, they all pop up on that day. I swear to you. Of course, another one bar pullback. Jeez, give me a fucking break. But yeah, all of those always pop up on the days where I'm very close to passing an account. It literally is pretty insane. It is. How many trades have I taken so far? Of course, my NinjaTrader isn't going to do anything. 1, 2, 3. Gotta wait 2 more swings before I could do anything. There's also just been a lot of weird indecision in the market. So many of these swings are like messed up like this. The zigzags are messed up. That lets you know there's indecision in the market in that swing. There's been a lot of that today, which is also annoying. Please, for the life of me, don't paint another one bar pullback. And it is. What the fuck? Which one of these? So the lowest top step account renews on Tuesday. Are we really going to reject again? Bro. What is the... So this looks like it was just the big pullback for the downtrend probably on the 5-minute chart. Just off my game today. I'm gonna wait until we break on either side. I think at this point, the only trades I really want to take when we're in between zones like this is at one of the zones. I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. I already was thinking about that yesterday when I was going through everything. I'm still not sure though, because I feel like I have enough data to go back and look to see if those trades were at this zone or somewhere else. Yeah, I don't know. What's the last time I took a trade? Oh, I don't know because it's not popping up. Oh, 9:58. So 16:23:58. Cool. Come on and break through there. Kind of created a double bottom down there on the 5-minute chart. Hopefully I can get something going in the next couple, like 2 hours really, because I have to get off of here by like 1:30. So hopefully there's enough movement in between time because, yeah. I would prefer to push it all the way to market close, but unfortunately I cannot. Since I was signed up to do shit I didn't agree to. I really want to see us trade above this level right here. Break the high up there and just go. It's just been too much back and forth. Every trend change. We bled down to the point where we were about 30 points away from hitting the first extended support level, which means that we've kind of extended beyond yesterday's price action. Come on, push through. Do something. Goodness gracious. It wasn't what I was thinking, but you know, whatever. Oh, it didn't extend the other lines out. That's not good. Maybe once we hit it, it will. Otherwise, $50. All right, starting to get the push through. Well, trying to fail again. 99, 50. Oh, 950. All right. Zigzag's not attached to the right bar. Wouldn't have got filled anyway. What did I say? 950. About there. Hey, DiLorenzo, how are you this morning? Good morning. How have you been? I've had a rough last couple of days, okay? Yesterday and today have been trash. But we live to trade another day. Come on, just break through. This is why I don't like trading after 10 o'clock. I don't want to deal with this, but we gotta figure out if I can get this account passed. And I definitely am not gonna carry over a negative balance, so. And coming into today, I was only about $600 away from passing, so it's like, do you stop there if I get back to full drawdown? I mean, technically it's end of day drawdown, so it's at full drawdown technically, but you guys know what I mean. I want to get back to the highest balance if I'm going to carry a balance forward. Yeah. And by that point, I might as well just try to go for all of it. But the way we're consolidating, I don't know if that's going to happen. And I would prefer to stay on stream and do this, because you guys know I'm very transparent. I don't like trading off stream. Last time I did this a couple Fridays ago, I had to get off the stream. I just was tired. I'm over it. And I'm probably going to get to that point today as well. Busted a few accounts too, but it's part of the game. You got, thank you. Yeah, yesterday was my first red day in 2 weeks. And it actually wasn't even my fault. Tech issues I've been dealing with for over a month now. And then today, just not executing well. The loss that I did take was actually part of my strategy. I just don't have the rules all the way figured out yet, so I don't really care about that. It's just the fact that I missed so many trades. I started off this morning with tech issues, and once that happens, I'm just kind of out of it, honestly. But the CPT account is a little over $1,000 away from passing. I came into today only needing 655. So I'm supposed to be done trading, but you know, I don't want to pay the 102 for it again if I'm going to carry a negative balance. So we're either going to pass it or we're going to blow it. One of the two. I could put more contracts on too. That probably would be a good thing. Because if the goal is to blow or go anyway, I might as well go with more contracts. So I need 1,000. That way I don't need as many trades, especially since I don't even know how long I'm going to be able to stay on the charts. I'm going to go for 4 contracts. But I have 1,900 in drawdown right now. Well, my normal risk that I would do on an eval with 1,900 in drawdown, I would be at 5 contracts. So we're just going to go for it, because why not? I have nothing to lose but an account. That's an eval anyway. So yeah, I'm going to go 5 contracts. And then I really at some point, probably starting tomorrow, depending on what happens with this account, I really do need to up the ante big time on that Top Step account that has the $800 in profit, to overall profit account. Because after today, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days on it, which is not that much. Of course, I thought we were going to finally get the push right there. But nope. We keep rejecting up there. We've now rejected there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times. Where's that entry at? It's like here. When does that other account renew? That one I think I have way more time on. It renews on the 16th. And we're back inside. I feel like we're going to consolidate unless we break below the double bottom on the 5-minute chart. Till we break here or kind of break above here. I feel like it's probably going to keep consolidating. I just wanted to break either way, get a couple of trades in and be done. That's all I want. So 5 contracts on TPT should be about, let's see. Like 425 for a win and probably like 480 something for a loss. So that means that I need to be plus 3 trades to pass that count. Oh, as a matter of fact, hold on. I have to change something on my risk manager so that it takes me out at the right time based on commissions. It needs to be plus $25 since I'm doing 5 contracts. All right. Okay, come on, market. Do something, please. Kind of the same thing. I wanted to see us break here. It's pretty much almost around the same level as the first time. Pretty identical, maybe a couple points off. But just kind of want to see the break. Break either way. I don't even care which way we break, but it has to do something. There's a lot of volume in that candle. Maybe we finally get the breakdown. Finally. Shit, I'm sleepy. I would like to see us actually break and not reject here and go back into the zone. We're almost back at the double bottom. That's basically impossible to work out. And another 1-bar pullback. The 1-bar pullback has kept me out of the market so much today. Like, having to wait 3 or 4 swings every time they paint is insane. But you have to, because you can't compare the volume of a 1-bar pullback swing, because it's not a real pullback. But this is driving me nuts. And I'm just trying to be patient. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first. Trying to be patient. This isn't the pullback I'm gonna like. I can already tell by the volume pattern it's not gonna be right. Nope. Of course. I don't even know why I expected anything different. What time was the... Wasn't that... Oh, I have to go look at something. Oh. What the hell? can't get into anything. Anything. Of course it works out this time. I am exhausted. I do not know how people sit on the charts all day. How do you do it? I am literally exhausted just from looking at this stuff. It's like my brain just no longer wants to compute. Fuck. All right, we're at the first extended support level. Let me see if it painted the new one. Oh, it does. Okay, so it waits until it hits it. That's pretty dope. So the other extended level wasn't showing at first, so I guess it waits until it touches it and then it paints the next one. So if it comes down and paints this one, it'll paint the next one like 100. I think right now all the pivot levels are about 102 points away from each other, something like that. All right, we do have a speaker speaking in a few. Why do you go that far? Why? I don't understand. I wanted us to pull back like around here. Not up there. Damn it. All right. Next try, I guess. No. That would be my first time taking that, but we're just going for it. I can't see her. Stop filled immediately. I think I just hit the daily loss limit. I'm pretty sure. Well, actually, I failed one of the top step accounts and I hit the daily loss limit on the other. If all the accounts blow today, I am 1000% okay with it. This actually isn't something I normally take. It's something that I'm testing and I'm okay with losing it. I'm not gonna lie. Because I'm really just over today. For real. If all the accounts blow, they just all blow. And to be honest with you, if the Top Step accounts blow, I'm probably not gonna trade. I'm not gonna renew them. I don't really agree with the owner's desire to collude with other owners of other prop firms to share people's personal data. So I already had that in my head when I read that on Twitter, that if those accounts fail, I'm probably not going to renew them. So, whatever. All right, I'm only going to take the trades from here on out that I actually would take, because I just, but let me take this out of the 47. That hit the daily. Oh, so I could just turn it off. All right, cool. All right, but I'm still gonna keep trading the Take Profit Trader account because I kind of need to. But yeah, those accounts are gonna be gone, and it is what it is. I'm like, basically, I'm $1,500 away now from passing the Take Profit Trader account, and I promise you guys, every time I'm within 1 to 4 trades, I just always have bad days. Like it's literally inevitable at this point. It's inevitable. It is inevitable. And I just no longer give a damn. So if anything, if this TPT account blows, then what I'll end up doing is just letting it renew, focus on passing that again, you know, starting the account over. And then when that one passes, then I'll start trading my Apex PAs. I already had a plan to start the PAs off with just 1 contract per trade anyway, so I'm not really worried too much. I just know once I pass my next eval, I'll feel comfortable with my strategy and everything. But that kind of needs to happen first. So we'll see. But yeah. Oh my God. But I'm not gonna lie, I am pretty annoyed. It's like every time I get so close, I then get so far away. That's actually pretty frustrating. What do you people want? Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. If I'm still trading by like 11:30, 11:45, I'm probably gonna get off and finish off stream just so I can just not be so irritated. Not that the stream is causing irritation, but just being able to take one more thing off of my plate. I don't think I've won a trade today. Like, not one, just a break even and losses. And I'm still not really understanding the copy trader. I actually shouldn't even be down as much as I am on those other accounts, but there's literally nothing I could do about it. The orders are not being placed properly on them. I'm losing more than I should. Just a very frustrating process to have to deal with it, to be honest with you. And I just want to be frustrated alone right now. So we'll see. But this is a key example of why I haven't traded my PAs and stuff yet, because I don't know, it's just I don't want to lose my PAs because of shit. Losing evals is a whole nother thing, like whatever. That's not even valid. Wait for the next pullback. Sorry you guys. I've just slid all the way down my chair because I'm just so irritated. That's invalid. Zigzag's not attached. It's like every pullback just doesn't work. It does some other shit, and then it's like I just can't get into anything right now. None of the patterns that are actually pushing the market are normal patterns that push the market. So it's just literally nothing I could do. This is stuff where I have enough examples to show that like it normally would lose. So what do I do? Like, I don't want to force anything. I don't know. I'm just the person. I'd rather lose an account because I'm trading my strategy and it's not ready than lose an account just because I have just been kind of jumping into, well, the last trade, that was the first time that I tried to take that trade. And I don't have the most examples of it, but whatever. But yeah, like these are just not normal patterns and it's very stupid. It's just annoying to watch it even happen because it's not normal. It's just not normal. It shit is just not normal at all. It's very frustrating to watch. This is why I always stop at 10 o'clock because I get to limit my frustrations. No, that's not good. I'm losing connection on the only account I'm gonna trade. And there goes that one. Like nothing is normal about the patterns that are painting. Got in late. I don't even care. Don't even care. All right. Wait for the next one. I was like, I think 2 ticks late or something. Just don't care. 626. So we're back at 1925 on the account. So just back to basically $1,000. Needed to pass it. Um, $300. I would like to see us pull back around this rotation level. That would be nice. But I also want it to happen kind of quickly, like that. We reverse up, I'll get into the buy. Hello, where did my order go? Oh, it's gonna lose. Fuck. No. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. B or A. I guess. What's a 5-minute chart look like? I guess. It looks like that's another one I don't have a whole lot of examples of. I didn't even realize until now. Whatever. I don't care. So if that one is, then I'll have to put it to as long as I'm losing following my rules, it's whatever. Because in theory, this should work no matter what time I'm trading it. So if I'm losing, I might have to just make adjustments. But this is the best time to do it. Not the market has pushed 40 points since I got stopped out. Make it more than that. What the fuck? I'm so over today. Part of me just wants to blow this account and keep it moving with my life. Cause goodness, man. Goodness gracious. It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna get going. I am gonna keep trading the account, but I'm so frustrated right now. I just want to kind of like I said earlier, just be frustrated to myself because I'm just really over today. I'm over this whole week, to be honest with you, but I'll be back tomorrow, you guys. I'll post the P&L in the Discord whenever I get back home later because I have to do the one from yesterday as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will likely see you guys tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. I might take tomorrow off. I'll see, but enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.